Good morning. In the today's lecture of developmental botany, we are discussing nuts. In previous lecture, we are discussed about legumes. So here the different types of nut, that means peanut, almond, green almond, and cashew nut, and last one is walnut. So first one is peanut. Peanut belong to family Fabaceae, and botanical name of peanut is Arachis hypogea. Peanut means bimok. So peanut is widely grown in tropics and subtropics of in all over the Maharashtra and India, being important to both small and large commercial producers. Peanuts are cultivated small as well as large commercial producer. Peanut requires warm weather throughout the growing season, and in dipping and growing conditions and cultivate peanut harvest is usually in 19 to 130 days, that means 3 to 4 months, and sometimes it depends upon the different varieties, so it can be harvested after 5 months. The soil containing sandy, loamy, and light, so the pH between 5 6 to 7. The peanut has a capacity to fix nitrogen in the soil, so it should be fix the nitrogen in soil, so it did not need to any nitrogen fixing fertilizer for its cultivation. Therefore, they are valuable in crop rotation. Also, the yield of peanut crop itself is increased in rotation period, and in rotation it can be reduce the diseases, pests, and weeds. In cultivation, it can be shown in flat surface, ridge and furrow system. All these systems you can see in the different crop, that means wheat, rice. So last point of this peanut is economic importance. Here the groundnut oil is important edible oil, so it can be used in food and some other for the cooking method. The groundnut kernel is source of vegetable protein, and the peanut butter is prepared by the grinding, roasted, and blanched kernels. It is the nutrition for the healthy source of food. The groundnut is used as lubricant, oil cakes, and used as animal feed. So, in animal feed, the peanut crop, the top of the crop residue can be used for the hay. That means ते जे भुईमुगाचा वेल असतो तो आपण चारा म्हणून जनावरांसाठी ओला आणि त्याला आपण सुकवून पण ते नंतर वापरला जातो. सो द ग्राउंडनट केक इज लाईव्हस्टॉक ऑफ फीड मोस्टली युज्ड इन कॅटल ॲज अ प्रोटीन सप्लिमेंट. आपण याचा वापर जनावरांना पेंड म्हणून पण केला जातो, त्यामुळे दुधाचे उत्पादन वाढवलं जातं. And it contains essential amino acids such as lysine and glutamine, and other compounds such as crude fibers and crude protein fat are estimated from this groundnut. And industrial use, that means the paint, varnish, lubricant oil, leather dressing, and furniture polish are used used for all this purpose. And soap is made from the saponified oil extracted from the ground. And peanut shells are used in the manufacture of plastic and wallboard. Here the next crop is almond. It is belong to family Rosaceae and botanical name of almond is Prunus dulcis. Almonds mean the badam. It is the deciduous tree growing 4 to 10 meter height and trunk containing 3 centimeter in diameter. So deciduous means ज्या ठिकाणी पानझडी वन असतात त्या प्रकारचं हे आल्मंड असतं. The fruit is drupe like. Drupe means the outer coverage is fleshy and inner is a hard shell coat. In shell coat containing the seeds of this almond. Here the method of cultivation. It contains Mediterranean climate having slightly hot summer and cool winter for the plant growth and kernel peelings. Here the soil containing deep, loamy, well-drained soils are ideal for the almond growing, but can be grown in every soil supplement with field yard manure and assured irrigation. And the trees are not thrive well in म्हणजे ज्या ठिकाणी जमीन अशी पोर कल्टिवेटर असते त्या ठिकाणी याची ग्रोथ जास्त प्रमाणात होत नाही. फॉर द क्वालिटी प्लांटिंग इट शुड बी produce the rootstock rising. So the seeds are firstly stratified by keeping in moist and sand from, that means it kept in moist shady place for the break the dormancy. That dormancy means the पिकाच्या बियाची अशी सुप्त अवस्था असते ज्यामध्ये ते पीक जर्मिनेशन होत नाही, सीड्स जर्मिनेशन होत नाही. तर ती डॉर्मन्सी ब्रेक करण्यासाठी ते आपण मॉइस्ट प्लेसला ठेवायचं. मग ते कधी जर्मिनेट होतं तर इट गेट फेवरेबल कंडिशन दॅट मीन्स मॉइश्चर टेम्परेचर अँड इट कॅन बी जर्मिनेटेड. सो इट कॅन बी केप्ट इन मॉइस्ट अँड shady place at November to March at the coolest shady place. This treatment realizes that dormancy and seeds are ready for the germination. The nursery beds are containing 10 cm spacing between two lines and 0.8 cm between two lines of that plant. After budding, it can be planted in the main field, that is grafted or budded almonds plants should be planted in square system, that means 6 to 6, 4 to 4, and sometimes it can be 3.5 to 3.5 meter in this manner. Here the economic importance of almonds. It is healthiest and most nutritious nut of all, considerable and well balanced cholesterol. It contains vitamin E and it is have low saturated fats and containing many other productive nutrients. So calcium and magnesium goods for the storage bones, vitamins, and also compounds called phytochemicals are powerhouse. Here all this economic importance of almonds are. The next one is cashew nut. It is belong to family Anacardiaceae and botanical name of Anacardium occidental. Cashew nut means cashew. You can see the picture of this plant. It is grown in 14 meter and irregular shaped trunk. Here the fruits are looking like as an apple. So also it known as cashew apple. The fruits are kidney or boxing glove shaped. That means it is drupe that grows at the end of cashew apple. You can see in this picture the seeds are grows at the end of cashew apple. Here the different varieties which are mentioned here. It is the name of this varieties depends upon the regional, that means in Goa the cultivation of this cashew nut, the varieties of Goa 1, Vengurla 4, Vengurla 7 and Vengurla 8. Vengurla is the region of Maharashtra. It contains regional research center of cashew nut. And in Maharashtra, Vengurla 1, Vengurla 7 and Vengurla 6, 7, 8, which can be cultivated in all these in Maharashtra. Here the method of cultivation. Cashew nut is cultivated in varied climatic conditions and it contains hot, humid, tropical conditions in summer. The temperature containing 30 to 38 degrees Celsius and relative humidity is 15%. So it can be grown in well. So cashew can be cultivated in almost all types of soil, that means sandy, loamy and well fertile. It grows well in drained red sandy soils, so the pH containing 5.8 to 6.8. It can be propagated both as seeds and vegetative method. So seeds propagation results enormous variable of seedling progeny. So therefore the different farmers, it can be highly cultivated by the commercial, that means the propagated by different vegetative methods. The seeds propagation that is rarely practiced, that means mainly to raise a rootstock material and collect during the, it can be collected during March to May. So it takes the 15 to 20 days for the germination. In vegetative propagation, that means air layering, cutting and epicotyle grafting and winner grafting. You all know the cutting and air layering. So epicotyle grafting, that is the rootstock is, you can take the 50 centimeter rootstock and it can be V shape cut is given to rootstock after bending to 10 to up to 4 to 6 centimeter, and V shape cut is given to precursor science. Science means what you can be selected as a आपण जे वरची फांद्या आपण जे हे केलेले असते ते म्हणजे सायन. So sand can is fitted to stock and tied with the polythene strips. Here the success rate of this grafting is 50 to 60%. After that grafting, budding and air layering, here the planting should be in 54 into 54 centimeter pits filled with the mixture of topsoil, and it contains 10 kg filled air manure and 1 gram neem seed cake. The spacing between that is 4 into 4 meter for the well and well development of this plant, and planting during the June to July. Here the economic importance of cashew nut, that is cashew oil. It is used for different purposes, that means cashew oil is dark yellow oil for the cooking or salad and making some cosmetic. तुम्ही आल्मंड ऑइलचं बघितलं असेल की आपण कॉस्मेटिकमध्ये बऱ्याच ठिकाणी याचा वापर केला जातो. The cashew shell oil is used for the natural resin with a yellowish sheen found in the honeycomb structure. Here are the different uses of this almonds. That is, it can be used in alcohol. That means in Goa the cashew apple is mashed and the juicy extract kept in fermentation for the few days. After fermentation, the beverage is called as penny, or it contains 42% alcohol. So this cashew oil can be used as the making some cosmetic products. Also, it is used in animal feed. That means discarded cashew nuts unfit for human consumption. So, alongside the residue of oil extraction from the cashew kernels can be used for the livestock for animal feeds. Here, the last one is walnut. It is belongs to family Jungledaceae. Botanical name of this walnut is Juglans regia. Walnut means akrud. You know all this. It can use as a dry fruit in different region. So the all species of walnut deciduous tree, and it contains 10 to 14 meter tall and pinnately leaves. The shoots having chamber repeats. It is internal structure of this plant. So the variety containing piney, Hartley and Ashley, Medclap, Broaddew, Thin Schilder, Hansin and Black Walnut. The Hartley is a tree of medium tall to large fruit. The method of cultivation. Here the walnut containing, it grows in Himalayan region. So the evolution of for 12,000 to 1200 to 2100 meter above the sea level. It requires the pre-frost in spring and for extreme heat in summer. It contains temperature about to 27 to 30 degrees Celsius for the good kernel development, and soil containing well drained deep aerated soil for the deep root system and containing high organic matter. The pH containing 6 to 7 for development of this plant. It can be propagated either by seed or by vegetative method. In commercial purpose, the walnut can be grown by patch budding or winner grafting. You can see in this picture the winner grafting. And patch budding means you can on this stalk you can remove the bark and fix the bud in this patch and covered it into polythene bag. In winner grafting, here V-shaped cut take to in stalk region in stalk of this plant, and the other scion can be kept in this V-shaped stalk. and it can be covered by polythene bag. The planting in case of seed into 10 into 10 meter square and vegetative planting in 7 into 7 meter. Here the economic importance of this walnut, it can be used as dry fruit in market. An average obtained at 15 to 20 kg kernels are obtained from 14 kg of dried fruit. It containing different industrial use, mostly consumed as it can be mostly consumed as dry fruit being eaten for the table purpose, and kernels are widely used in bakery industries for the preparation of cake, chocolates, and candy and ice cream. The wild nut trees are used for different making different instruments, that means musical instrument, furniture, and even gun stock. The walnut have nutritional and medicinal value. The oil cake being rich in protein as well as it should be used for the feed for the cattle. The main importance of this is oil which is extracted from the kernels. Walnuts containing important phytochemical as well as high amount of polyunsaturated fats. So this is different economic importance of these all nuts. So here the finish of legumes and nuts. In next lecture we are discussing vegetables, that means sweet potato, bitter, carrot, radish, turnip, potato, brinjal, which are different types of vegetables. Okay, thank you.